vlog time again. Well, do a little something to the Hobie. I sort of come in hot on launch ramps and stuff, and starting to get a little scratches up here on this. So what I'm going to do is put on a nose protector for that. I got one from Berley Pro. This one I actually ordered. It's made by Berley Pro. I got this from Mariner Sales in Texas, and it's the Bumper Bro made by Berley Pro. Yeah, so this is for the PA-14. So I'm gonna prep it and put it on here, and then it's got a set for a day, I think. So I don't know, never done it. Gonna do it. Supposed to clean this with isopropyl alcohol. I guess just clean the dirt off and stuff like that. Just get off any residue that might cause a problem, I guess. A little of that Arkansas mud. Alright. And then this fits on here. I guess just like that. I'm doing this. Got a little bit of a mark there. So it says you put this Marine Goop on there and in here, slap it on. I think I tape it or something, and then it dries for like 24 hours. Got my gloves on. I'll just try and keep it I don't want to make a giant mess. And you put it in here. So put it up on the lip. Put it on the inside edge of this. So I got it on the inside there. Alright, so put a piece of tape on here, and now I'm just adding a bead edge here carefully so that water doesn't get in it along this edge here. And now I'll put some more tape on it. What I'm going to do is get another tape on here. Hard to do gloves, but it should be just fine. Got this on here, and it'll hold, and You let it cure for 24 hours. That should be good. Protect my keel. Oh, there we go. We'll find out in a day if that worked. Yeah, I talked to, I got this idea from Jim and Jackson, and they used a double-sided tape and a heat gun. I don't have a heat gun, and I decided to go with the Goop. So I got some time. It's air, very dry desert air. It should dry pretty good, pretty fast. But I'm thinking this is gonna work really good. You know, this is gonna protect it really good. We'll see. All right, well, this thing's been curing for a while. I think probably got a few more hours to go on this, but it's looking good, man. It's cemented on there. I put a bead around it, and so I gotta sort of clean it up a little bit. I'm letting it still cure, but I think this is gonna work good, keeping the front of my kayak from getting all dinged up. And I've been working on the car.